Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here at the workbench. And while preparing for breaking down the 4.5, I was outside looking for something. Well, I was actually outside looking for that light bulb that I needed for the light over here. And I stumbled on these magazines I had in a tote and was wondering if anybody else would like them. Now, these are kind of unique, some of them. This is a Packard Woodworks 2018 catalog. Now, you remember I said something about 2018 and a life-changing event, and you'll probably figure out why this stuff was sitting outside in a tote. Packard Woodworks, Lee Valley, 2018. This top section are special. Here's a 2019 Family Handyman. All sorts of great articles in there. Then we've got some wood magazines from, guess what, 2018. So we've got 3 of those. And then we've got some later year, 2023, fine woodworking. These are duplicates that were sent to me. But these are kind of interesting. These are from the 1940s and 60s. Home Craftsman, 1948. Whirligigs and jigsaw wall mirror, so on and so forth. Here's one from 1962. 1962, Home Craftsman. Then Workbench magazine. Here's a football player that became a picture frame maker. Home Craftsman, Things to Make, a modern lawn chair. A tea table. The magnetic jigsaw, only $17.50. Ha! Home Craftsman, 1961. Workshop projects. Build a 3-tier table. A breakfast nook. A cabinet bench. Chopping bowl stand. Plus many other features. So if anyone wants these, How to Operate Power Tools from the Home Craftsman, 1948. 1964, Workbench magazine. 1962, Workbench magazine. So, they're yours if you want them. First person that asks for them and pays for the shipping. These can go media mail, which is a little bit cheaper than priority mail. And the last batch I sent out was about the same, maybe a little bit lighter. It was about $12, $11, $12 to mail. So if you want the magazines, you got to be the first one, and then the first one to agree to pay for the postage. So it means I'll send you my email address, you send me your mailing address, and I send you the postage cost, and you pay me. If you're a member of a woodworking club, or if you have a woodworking workshop near you where the community gets together, maybe in a retirement village, and you want these, go through them, read the articles you want to read, and then pass them on. Pass them on. They have blessed me, and now I want them to bless others. So, like, subscribe, and share. Even share the magazines. Walter out.